Hey there, today I am going to show you how to design a modern colorful S letter logo very quickly and obviously in a very easy way. I will use two hexagons to design this logo. In my last video, I have designed the S letter logo using only a circle. I will put the link in the description so that you can see it later. Okay, let's get started. Let's go with a new artboard. As I was saying earlier, I will design this logo using two hexagons. So let's go to the polygon tool and create a hexagon. We need only stroke color, so turn off the fill color and let's zoom it in. Let's fix the height to 100 pixel and we should create a 200 by 100 pixel hexagon. To do this, let's create a rectangle with 200 px width. We should fix this hexagon according to this rectangle. So let's select these three and click and drag this point towards to the yes, it is our destination. Okay, now it is 200 pixel and 100 pixel. Let's fix the stroke issue. The stroke lines are inside the hexagon. We should fix it to center. Okay, now let's make a copy of it. So hold Alt and drag. Yes, I should place this hexagon to somewhere like this type, so that this line and this line should place at the same line. So to do this, let's draw a line, select pen tool and click on the path and path. Okay, let's make it bigger towards to this corner. So select it, make sure click shift and alt at the same time and drag this point towards to this anchor. Now select these two and align right. Okay, we are done. This line are at the same line, so let's delete it. Let's keep a copy. We should now do the same as we did earlier. Same for it. We are almost done. Let's increase it to 30. Okay, 30 is okay. So let's expand appearance. We are almost done. Select all, go to shape builder tool, hold Alt and click, Alt click, Alt click, Alt click and Alt click. One of our ACs. Okay, we can make another one this with this. So let's select the pen tool, hover over here and click when see the anchor and draw a line. Select these two only, delete this part, delete this part and same to here. Okay, delete this 6 and this. Okay, another one is here, we will make the third one with this. For this, delete only this part and draw a line, delete and delete again, draw a line and delete. Okay, select all, now delete this. Okay, here are our three version of face. Now we should put color on them. Okay, I will use two bright color to make a gradient. So let's select this color and again minus 90 degree. Here are our three version of S that is made with only two hexagon. So let's make some app icon with these three. Here are our three version of S with app icons, but made with only two hexagon. I hope you enjoyed the video. So smash the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. That's all for today. Bye bye.